So friend, this is my online Nettech Blue Sky channel. In this my network video new course of computer start. So this is a computer related everything I am information give network, and this is a very important for you understand about what is a network. Watch previous video, okay? Other you cannot understand about network related information. So you can see here network history of computer or different type of how generation changing and communication one to another side, and new type of communication start electrical systems, okay, and telephone after electronics network systems, okay, and Microsoft Unix Linux different type of company created operating system. So why use and need a network connection? This is a very important for us. So understand about previous video very important for you. Network diagram I am already created this video in watch my playlist, and I am already give description in link. So what is a topology? And the topology one type of different type of map of network. How point to point topology work and how these are very important for understand about. Advantage of point to point topology and disadvantage of point to point topology. Point to multi point topology, one to another type of connect one to another side. It is a one type of point to multiple topology you can see here. So this is a switch and the different type of point to point bus topology, how working bus topology, different type of system, and advantage and disadvantage. Watch previous video ring topology how work, and advantage of ring topology I'm already created video. So watch previous video. Mesh topology, how this very important for understand about the mesh topology, mesh network. Advantage and disadvantage of mesh topology. Star topology is one type of hierarchical structure, and you can see here this is a one type of advantage and disadvantage of star topology. Hybrid topology, how this hybrid topology work, and disadvantage. Tree topology, how working a system. This is a very important understand about tree topology and disadvantage and advantage. How a network backbone work and backbone technology of the systems. So this is a one type of a very understand about network of communication. And my last some previous video types of network, how this type in LAN, PAN, CAN, WAN, different type of available. So network devices understand about how many type of network devices available in usage networking devices. Without networking devices you cannot start up. This is all of I am already created video. So watch previous video very before you understand what is the difference between the network and internet. Okay, understand about the network and internet side, and the network gateway, how this network gateway, and what is the OSI model. Understand about the OSI technology, why created by technology these systems too. And you can see here this is the OSI 7 layer model. Understand about this video very important for you. What is the data processing in different type of protocols, and how many type of change of one by one to OSI some parts. So layer of architecture, physical layer, data layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer. So I'm continue my concept to layer of architecture. OSI layer, how working basic communication model. This is a very important for understand about. So how application layer work in application. What is the application startup here? Okay. So understand about application systems, and how these are working PDU1. Okay. So protocol data unit. Second is a layer is the presentation layer. Presentation, what is the work and why these presentation, how this working in an internet and network system. So understand about presentation layer. You can see here this is one type of everything transferring data and present data, everything is possible of presentation layer. What is the data representation? This is a very important for understand about watch this my previous video. Okay, so all of our video I'm already created basic encoding rules of one type of presentation layer. So today start session layer. What is this session layer? How this session layer work? So let's start and understand about a session layer. So friend, before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So write this type online network discussion and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on
So
here
friend,
and
this is a
you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want, information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one, time to time I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. So you can see this is the control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows Operating 7, 8, 9, Windows 10.
so friends, this
Every
is a
your operating system you can control using it. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 basic related. What is a Windows 7? What is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64-bit? What is a 32-bit? So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I'm
so friend, this is a my online
upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button, and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So session layer. What is a session layer? So OSI layer in this third layer is you are sending is one type of a session systems. So what is a session? First understand about us. Session is a one type to one to another site. You are going to in one browser side. Okay, one browsering. So I am give example one type of one. You can see a lot of company servers available in internet: Google, Facebook, Yahoo, Gmail, YouTube, everything. Different type of networking communication one to another side. You can see here session layer system. So you can see here this is what is a session layer. The session layer is to control the dialogue connection between the computer. This is a very important for understand about of a session layer. Okay, so session layer controls dialogue connection between computer. This is a very important to understand about the connection. Okay, connection related this session layer. So I'm give example. You can see here I am open Google Chrome. Okay, and open Google Chrome. After you can see here www.google.com. Right, second tab open www.facebook.com. So you can see both sides different type of communication, different type of connection. One side Facebook connection in one browser, and the second side you can see here Google Chrome system. Okay, so this is one type of session, one type of your connection to your computer to the main of other communication system. So this is a session layer is a one type of, you can see here this is a I'm open Google Gmail account. Okay, this is my Google account, and second is you can see it establishes, manage and terminates the connection between the local and remote application. Okay, so that is a very important for understand about the session layer of a computer. So establish, maybe sometime your connection, your internet connection not stand, and again you connect on automatically your internet, so this session automatically reconnect try to Gmail connection through. You can see here. Second is manage is one type of data in session systems, and terminate one to another side connection between local and remote application. This is one type of session system. So you can see here, this is one type of Facebook. You can see other side of Google Chrome. So this is a Facebook is one type of a correct account you are connected on any side. So not affect other side the system. Other side means your Google Chrome side, Google Mail side, not affect, because your both side connection different connection. So you can create a lot of a connection one type of in one internet system, but different between some speed internet speed, okay, effect on internet speed, because some server take more of connection of internet data using. So this is a session layer is an important part of a connection between a computer, and second is a remote application, one type of you can see terminate on to another side. So controls and dialog is everything. This is a depend all of responsible this session layer. It provides for half duplex, full duplex, half duplex, and simplex operation, and installing procedures for checkpoint, suspending, restarting, and terminating session. So checkpointing, suspending. Sometime your connection not in computer, so you can see sometime your website not showing and one type of message connection not no internet, this type of showing message. Checkpoint means one type of you can see sometime your data in store in your web browser, so automatically again to try to restarting. Terminating session means sometime your connection down, and again your connection connect in the internet, so automatically these data resume one type of again to combine one to other type of data, okay. So that is a one type of terminating session, okay. So that is a one type of your data very important for you, your session one type of your all of data coming in downloading by session system, okay. So this is a one type of a network related layer, okay. In OSI model, this layer is responsible for gracefully closing session, okay. This is a very important for understand about. This is a session layer, okay, which is handled in the transmission control protocol, okay. This is a TCP control protocol, okay, and transport layer in the internet protocol suite, okay. So this is a depend on a transport layer, and this is using a TCP protocol, transmission control protocol, okay. So session layer is one type of all of data completely download after you can see here. This is a very completely websites, your emails, your Google Mails, your YouTube, everything data is a depend on transferring and sessioning. So that is a one type of important of responsibility. Just like you can see YouTube, so YouTube not directly server give data half to half, one by one, small to 5% automatically download, and your video continuously resume. That is a one type of a session, because automatically terminating session, okay. Checkpointing and restarting one type of your sometime connection not your sometime your internet connection down, and again your connection automatically starts. So that is a one type of starting is the same time as the same site through restarting. That is a one type of a resuming system. So that is a one type of a session layer, okay. That is a one of a local and remote applications, okay. So YouTube not directly allow to any website, any your just I give example your you are download any movie, any game, so not directly download in 1 second all of data. Why? Because lot of data on server and server side through coming in your computer. So how this possible session and the transport layer, that is responsible for your data how come in and how you combine to same as it is original data. So that is one type of responsible for gracefully closing session, and sometime your data not coming in your computer. So again restarting this session and again to start downloading. So that is using a session layer. Sometime your website you are going and sometime your timing through create one type of a website for security. So 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and after your session expire means you want again to refresh your page, again to uh, connect in your website. Usually this type security available in bank website. So bank website is give in 3 minutes, 5 minutes. So all of our work in 3 minutes and 5 minutes, and after automatically you log out your bank website. It is a one type of session layer technology, session layer systems, and restarting all of your connection. So that is a one type of session layer and terminating session. Okay, so terminating, what is terminating one type of again to uh, reconnect, that is a one type of terminating, and this is a best example in Google Chrome system. You can see here sometime your website not perfectly showing in your computer, your Google Chrome, but sometime your internet connection very powerful and a very high level speed, so automatically restart and again to you can see in your computer everything same all of data showing up in your computer. Okay, that is a one type of session layer. Okay, so what is a full replace and what is a half replace, I will discuss in next some time. So discuss one by one. Full replace means both side communication, just like a key example voice with video calling, that is a one type of full replace. But what is a half replace? Only one way side communication, just like a walkie talkie. Okay, so especially to army system using a half replace system communication, only one side communication, on other side only listen, one side speaking everything information, second side only uh, listen. But sometime this half replace not perfectly work because both sides you are speak any side, so connection automatically disconnect. So that is a problem solved by full replace system. Okay, so this time modern technology in both side speaking, both side you speak and communication, and especially to video calling inside, you can see here uh, both person side one to computer android to another side computer another website through your communicate. So that is a full replace working. You can see here everything you can sending and the information talking and video quality, everything work by full duplex, but it is not working on hard duplex. Okay, so understand about established procedures, check to pointing, suspending, restarting and terminating session. So that is a one type session layer. So session layer is, you can see here, this is a one type of showing up here. So understand about a session layer, how this working. So understand about you can see here, this is a lot of session layer you can see. Okay, so any side you are in field, any computer technology you can see here. So this is a computer of you can see my last video. This is a PDU, protocol data unit, application layer, protocol data unit, presentation layer, and this third is a PDU enter protocol data unit session layer. So I'm just showing you any person inside that is a one type different type of session created. Okay, this open www.google.com, this open facebook.com, this person opens some websites, this person different type of, so different session system created in the computer, and one type of going to packet data through this session transport layer through. Okay, so this is a one type of a connection inside anytime any region through this not device work. Okay, you are change this device and again connect either some your internet connection data main cable breakdown, so again you're changing here, so automatically reconnect website, not need to shut down computer, not need to close your web browser, automatically reconnect by this session layer. Okay, so I'm just giving you example. You can see here this is how this wireless network some internet connection inside to open reconnect system. So you can see this is a one type of website, and you can search any side website. So website going to all of data your protocol through and finding out wireless network and going to server side and server reply again to, and after going to in your computer. Okay, so you can see here this is one type of reply from your server, but some case inside your area side not internet working so properly, sometime on, sometime off, sometime weak signal. So how this session layer working? Session layer again restarting in try to connect your website server. Okay, so this is a one type of session layer system is working by session protocol. Okay, so third is a point, this layer is also responsible for session checkpointing. Okay, session point check and recovery. Sometimes your website not properly open, so again automatically check and pointing and again to recover all of data same as it is, that is a session layer. So which is not usually used in the internet protocol suite. Okay, so this is not using internet protocol. This is using only session layer protocol and transport layer protocol. So the session layer is commonly implemented explicitly in application environments. Okay, that use a remote procedure call. Okay, so that is application environment and use the remote procedures of calls. Okay, so that is one type of application environments. So how using you are using Google Chrome's Google Chrome system, and some using Opera Mini system. So Google Chrome is one type of, you can see different type of Google verification system, and this is a one type of internet protocol. Okay, so this is commonly implemented as work only in web browser. Okay, and some applications, internet applications. So use a remote procedure calls. Okay, some just like telnet protocol, SSH protocol. Okay, so that is a one type of remotely using one to another side of a computer communicate. Okay, that is a one type of session. Okay, so session means one type of connection, one type of your how your connection perfectly working, checking everything, you're restarting. That is a one type of session. So that is the session layer is a responsible system. So you can see here the one side to one computer and the other side your any device, your computer, your server, and between your communication systems you can see here. So all of data sending and receiving it is a one type of using internet protocol and using transport protocol. So after start session system is checking everything your data coming and completely how not complete, so how this restarting this session layer is responsible. Okay, so Just you can see here, this is a in a Google Chrome system. So you can see here, this is a sometime you are open Facebook company page, and sometime not perfectly downloaded your Google Chrome page. Some these areas are not perfectly. So again, type you can see, click on this the restart of reload your website. So automatically session system reloading and recovering everything your data from internet through. So how this possible? The ecosystem layer have already created one type of protocols, and these protocols communicate to another layer of a router system, communication system, internet communication system, and again to request sending to main server of Facebook, and Facebook again to receiving data everything, and load it on your devices, any devices like mobile, your Android devices, your tablet, your computer, your desktop, any side. Okay, so session layer using a PDU3 protocol data unit, third protocol data unit. So this is a very important for understand about our data is using binary technology, binary code. So all of data transferring by binary code, but using this PDU1 and PDU2, and after using you're downloading, you're sending any data, so using a PDU3. Okay, so that is a one type of protocol data unit of a 3 session layer. So it provides for full replace, half replace, or replace is established procedure for checkpointing, suspending, restarting, and terminating session. Sometimes suspending. What is a suspending? Suspending is a one type of you are basically to this technology using a bank account, some government websites, some important of area side. So in 5 minutes open this website and automatically close in your website, and again you want uh, write your website and again to reconnect. So that is one type of suspending time, one type of communication. Restarting means one type of communication side your internet connection not start, and again automatically Google.com try to restarting, that is one type of session system. And terminating means all data completely set up, but some data not showing in your web browser. So again to start and terminating, and again to download same all of data same it is it on server. Okay, so session layer is a very important for everything data and checking everything connection, that is a one type of a PDU system. So this protocol is not directly work first to check up your internet connection, and second is showing up how this data unit work. Okay, so PDU is responsible. 3 is how you open your website and how many timings duration. Okay, so there some protocol is different type of website open in one browser, just like Google Chrome. In Google Chrome same as it is a different type of session open in one browser, just like Gmail, Facebook, email, your YouTube, everything, any type of a website. So different session create in one web browser. Okay, so this is allowed to using the systems. Okay, so it's a provide to all replace full replace same as this is a terminating system, and this is a protocol special to created in session system related everything. So all of code, your website code, your protocol data code is communicate to one to another side. Okay, and that is the checking and everything system. So which handle the transmission control, is it is called transmission control protocol. Protocol transfer layer in the internet protocol suite. Okay, so that is a one type of internet protocol suite, and this session layer work application and data reconnectivity for reload. Okay, so data reconnectivity and reload, restart continued communication to network and internet system connection. Okay, that is a one type of one handle of transmission, and the handle of one type of reconnectivity and reload your data in on internet communication and continue to communicate to network and internet connection. That is a one type of session layer. So completely understand you are what is a session layer, and the next time I will continue what is a transport layer. Okay, so this is a very important for understand transport layer. What is a transport layer? Okay, and how transport layer is working, very important for understand about the transporting systems. Okay, so next time I will continue on this topic, transport layer. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day. Next time I will continue one to another side, all of check my playlist, okay, okay, my channel playlist. So this is a very helpful for knowledge and increasing knowledge. So next time I will discuss on this topic, transport layer, and any questions, any questions, so you can comment me and I will reply in 24 hours. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day. Click on subscribe and click on bell icon for new notification when I upload new video, so you may not miss. Okay, so transport layer I will discuss in next time. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.